Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Blue Protocol star resonance game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here or start icon and then click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After restarting, now check if you can launch the game. If not, then next solution is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for your drivers, and after updating your drivers to the latest version, now check if the issue you are coming across while playing the game is resolved or not. Nvidia and Intel users, just go through the link that I have provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there and then check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, launch Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. Now this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now here open BPSR folder and then here you can see BPSR_Steam. This is the game application, right click on it. Now click on properties, then click on compatibility and then select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. After that, try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, then click on disable full screen optimization, then click on apply and OK and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, then click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. And after that, try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next solution is to modify launch option. So in Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you can see launch option. Here you have to type -DX11 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, again come back and type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and see if it resolves the problem. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, again come to library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files on your system, and after verifying the game files, now check if the issue you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to allow Blue Protocol star resonance through firewall. So for that, go to the Windows search. Here you have to search for Windows security. Now after that, open it. Now click on firewall and network protection. Now click on allow an app through firewall. Here you have to click on change settings. Now after clicking on it, you have to search for the game if it's listed over here. Here the game is listed. If not, you have to click on allow another app and then go to the browse section, and from there you can easily add your game to the list. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK and then try to launch the game and see if this solution resolves the problem. If not, next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the Windows search. Here you have to type task manager. Now open it. Now under performance, here you have to check which app is consuming high resources or is of no use. So after selecting them, you simply have to right click on it and click on end task, and after that the particular app will be closed completely from the background, and after that try to launch the game and see if it's working or not. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as Nvidia Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So it's better you should disable all those third-party overlay application. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now you have to open it. Now here you have to check if there is any update available. If any update is there, you simply need to update your Windows, and after that try to launch the game again and see if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, open Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You simply have to click on it to disable it, and after that try to launch the game again and see if it's working. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. Now the next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go to your browser and open the browser and search for Visual C++ files. After the website opens, here go below and you have to download the Visual C++ files from here. After downloading it, install them, and after installing, restart your PC once, and after restarting, again log into the game and check if you can play it without any further problem. Next solution is to run Blue Protocol Star Resonance as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now open it. Now from here you have to select the game application. So click on the browse option. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now select the game and add it to the list over here, and after adding it, here you have to click on options and then click on high performance and then click on save. So after doing this, now check if you can launch the game without any further problem. If you're still facing the same issue, then it's time to reinstall the game. So for that, launch Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it and click on manage, then click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After removing the game from PC, now restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and then again reinstall Blue Protocol Star Resonance game, and after that try to play it and check if everything is working fine. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.